Hi, it's Roderick Mifsud from the workshop, and welcome to workout number 7 for the Maltese lockdown. Mela, we have 3 movements. The first one, you need a backpack. For the males, you need 6 2-liter water bottles, and for the females, you need 4 water bottles. You need to fill them and put them in your backpack. Mela, we're going to do 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10 of backpack cleans. And you have 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5 of pike push-ups. The flow will go 50 cleans, 25 pike push-ups, 40 cleans, 20, 30, 15, 20, 10, 10, and 5. So the twist is here, alright? Now you have an every minute, on the minute, toes to wall. Now, you start with the toes to wall on the timer 0, and every minute you stop from either the cleans or the pike push-ups and perform 5 toes to wall till you complete all the workout. Now, let's go through the movement. Now, first one, backpack cleans. Now, from the floor, we move to the second movement, that's a pike push-up, alright? During the pike push-up, make sure head on the ground and fully lock always your elbows. Females can use an ab mat, for males directly on the floor. Alright? Mela, every minute on the minute, you move on to toes to wall. Alright? So make sure. Palm to your palm next to the wall. Alright? Fully extend your elbows. Alright? Every rep, heels must touch the ground and toes to wall. Thank you and enjoy this workout.